Hi, I'm Irene. In this video, I will demonstrate tools and methods to trace the packets that are processed in OVS-DPDK and VNF application. It is essential for debugging and performance monitoring in the VNF use case. Stay with me to learn more. With VNF application running in the VM and on OVS with DPDK on the host, we need tools to trace the packets which are being processed in the OVS bridge and in the VNF application. Therefore, we will be focusing on tools available in OVS to trace the packets in the OVS bridge. In addition, we will also look into DPDK testpmd in the VM to trace the packets being received and transmitted in the VM. Let's take an example of a NFV use case with the inter-VM service chain running DPDK testpmd as a VNF application and packetgen as a traffic generator. DPDK testpmd does simple packet forwarding. Packets are received and transmitted among the vHost user ports attached to the OVS bridge. How can we monitor the packets in the OVS bridge? In OVS, there is a tool for monitoring and administering OpenFlow switches called OVS-OF-CTL. OVS-OF-CTL can show the current state of an OpenFlow switch, including features, configurations, and table entries. First, we need to find out the port numbering representation in the OVS. To find out which port number belongs to the specific vHost user interface, we need to dump the OVS bridge information by typing OVS-OF-CTL show BR0. Then, we can dump each port's statistics by typing OVS-OF-CTL dump ports BR0. The output shows you the number of packets received and transmitted, which include information on packets being dropped and packets with error. We can also trace the packets that have been configured with specific flow configuration. To trace the packet flow in the OVS bridge, type OVS-OF-CTL dump flows BR0. It outputs the list of flows being created with the number of packets going through the program flows. As for VNF application running in the VM, for example, with DPDK testpmd application, it has a feature to trace the packets received and transmitted on its ports. When testpmd application starts, PMD will poll on the VM's port. If the ports receive or transmit a packet, the statistics is being recorded in the background. To monitor the packets being received and transmitted at all the ports in the testpmd, type show port stats all. It will show you the statistics on each port and also the throughput in packets per second since the last show of the port's statistics. The output will provide you information on how many packets are received and transmitted from one end to the other. You can clear the port statistics in the testpmd application by typing clear port stats all. Thanks for watching. You can access further resources to anything we've discussed in the links below. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to the Intel Software YouTube channel. And don't forget to check us out on Facebook.